Bite.
Oh, this is so good. I'm kicking back and I get forced that cake.
He looks like a musketeer. Looks like he has a mustache and a little...
The goatee.
Mustache.
He still wants to eat it. He's still going at
Oh,
it.
it's starting to go up his nose.
He's okay.
Yeah, he's got a mustache and a goatee.
He's going for it.
Hey, Minnie is and your dad is.
Ready? Ah, big bite. Are you done? Are you done? No?
No.
Musketeer baby. Musketeer baby.
Just cut him a piece and give it to him.
I'm going to give him, yeah. Did you bring out a knife?
Oh, Connie, go get a knife. And don't run. Oh.
Put it on the thing.
The butter knife will work.
Put it on the thing so you can reach it and grab it.
There you go. Come bite. Come bite. Come bite.
You have it. Too far.
You want, oh, no, he wants it. Like that. With a bug? There's no bug.
Was there a minute ago?
It was chocolate. You want another bite? No, he wants to be fed. No? I'm done. We'll just cut this section out for him.
He's like, I don't want to be.